Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about cyclamen plant care. So cyclamen I have now four color. So I think you can see. I will show. This one purple with white. You can that light that lining with white color and other part purple color. So it is a one color. Then white color, then it totally purple, and pink. Yeah, when we see this plant, we think it is a plastic because that leaf, you can see that leaf look like plastic. When we are going for shop also, when I see this plant, I think, oh, it is a real. I doubtful about this plant because from that leaf we will think it is a plastic, but actually it is a real plant. It called as cyclamen plant. Cyclamen plant is a winter plant. So during that winter climate, it will grow well. So and also this plant we can keeping in indoor, but it needed indirect sunlight. So when we are keeping indoor, we can keeping in any east facing or south facing window side. So it will help to get sunlight exposure, but not direct, but needed indirect sunlight. We can keeping in outside, but whenever outside temperature become within 26 or 28, in that time we can keeping in outside. But I think sometime afternoon hot, that time afternoon that too much sunlights are there, that one is not good for this plant. So we can keeping in shade area. Then this flower will remain remain few weeks. Then after that, don't worry, our plant will not die. Okay, so after flower die, after leaf die, don't worry. Okay, because that plant are coming from that bulb. Okay, that tuber. So that tuber we can keeping and we can reuse for next year. Then regarding sunlight, I told indirect sunlight needed. Then water. When we are applying water, do not apply water for like that. Okay, do not apply water on leaf and flower, because if we are applying water on leaf and flower, it will fade. So do not apply like that. So when we are applying water, just make like this. Then we can apply water here. Okay. So you have to make sure do not apply water on leaf and flower. Then regarding soil. So soil 50% of multi-purpose compost and 40% of pet moss and 10% perlite we can use for this plant when we are repotting. So based on our pot size, we can select like this: 50% compost and 40% of pet moss and 10% of perlite. Then soil we have to keep moist. Okay, but when next means when we are we not wait for till soil completely dry. We will not wait like that. So when you feel partially that dry of our plant soil, we can apply water, because if we are waiting for complete dry of soil, complete dry, it cause for leaf and flower will droop. So do not wait for long time for water application. So when you feel partially it dry, we can apply. So this plant like moist soil. So we have to maintain our soil like moist. So we can apply water based on that. But it do not like too much water. I mean wet or foggy. It will not like. So we can apply water when it partially dry. We can apply water, but we have to maintain soil moist, but do not maintain like wet. Then regarding water I tell, sunlight also, then soil also I already completed. Then we can, I already tell, we can keeping in outside when the temperature in 26 or 28 degrees Celsius, that time we can keep in outside. Then same like that, when this leaf completely dry and flower also completely dry, we can keep this plant for rest. Okay, actually that period is the resting period of cyclamen plant. So when leaf and flower completely dry, we can cut that whole part. Then we can keeping in cool area. I mean where the temperature is 27, 28, that area we can keep. But in that resting time, we cannot apply water. So we have to allow that plant for rest. Then after that, I think 1.5 months before winter, we can report that bulb, that tuber. Actually, I already tell these plants are coming from tuber. Okay, so for propagation by tuber. So after that resting, we can reporting that tuber with one big size pot. Then afterwards, we can apply water. Then when it leaves and branch come, we can increase the watering application time. Okay, so if we are before we are doing, I think weekly once, then we can increase the timing. Okay, so next time we can apply water weekly twice, like that when it leaf come based on dryness. Okay, so afterwards that plant will rebloom. So if it die our plant, I mean die our leaf and die our flower, don't worry, it reproduce, okay, by this tuber. So we can keeping for rest this plant. Afterwards, I tell already 1.5 months before winter, we can report and it will rebloom. Okay, after leaves are coming, it will rebloom. So don't worry about this plant. So it is a winter season plant. I think Christmas time it is a common, we can see everywhere. So don't worry about this plant. If it dry also, it will reproduce for next year. So if you like my video, please share, and if not subscribe, please subscribe it. Thank you.